At AIReal Yoga, we have 2 separate hammock kits. You can also buy all the gear separately, but in our kits we have our hammock kit for above 9 feet 6 inches and hammock kit for below 9 feet 6 inches. So this is the kit that you'll get if your ceiling is below 9 feet 6 inches. It's going to be our kit that has slings. So instead of using the daisy chain, we're going to be using the slings to adjust the height. It's going to come with a quick link. The quick link typically will attach to your point, whatever your point may be, whether it's an eye bolt or another sling. And then the swivel will be attached to your quick link. The swivel is what allows it to spin. And then you'll have a carabiner attached to the swivel, and the carabiner is also attached to 2 slings that are in a prusik knot at the end of each hammock. I'm going to show you how to tie this prusik knot. You'll have a tail. We'll also just be putting a simple knot as a safety knot at the end of it. And then I'll show you how we can adjust the height with the prusik knots. So this is what's included in your hammock kit below from AIReal Yoga: quick link, swivel, carabiner, 2 slings, and a hammock, color of your choice.